2 or 3 years ago, it kind of came to me that there's a lot of motorcyclists in 1245, in IBEW 1245, and it would be really great to put on a motorcycle rally. What a wonderful way to honor Howard Stiefer, the late president of IBEW Local 1245.
He loved to ride, and this would be something that he would just be so honored by.
And then I watched, and then you, yep, so that was the last one you touched right there.
That's it, really?
Probably the highlight day is just seeing some friends I haven't seen for a while on the ride and enjoying some time with them.
Mr. Russ Riley from Reading.
Definitely I'll be back next year.